Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. This 650cc twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled cruiser just arrived with only 14,000 miles. It's got this cool matte green and black finish, reflective wheel tape. It also has the rear luggage rack. This bike is in beautiful condition. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $67.99 with this Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. We have financing, we have extended warranties. This bike is already equipped with Kawasaki Ergo Fit for a shorter rider, so the seat's a little closer and the handlebars pull back and the foot pegs are adjusted for a shorter rider. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.